Hey, it's Earl here, and this is not a taco tour. This is the new salsa tour, and it's for you. So listen, this salsa is the best salsa I've ever eaten, and it will be the best salsa you've ever eaten. So what I want you to do is get ready, watch this video, and you'll probably be selling this salsa to somebody, all right? I'll see you in the kitchen. First you go to the store and you get yourself a nice new blender, okay? And then here's your blender. Get it all ready, clean it up, wash it. Then you get some tomatoes. Look at those tomatoes. This is the no salt added, but the most important part is whole peeled plum tomatoes. I always take and I put about half of them in there, okay? Don't make too much of a mess. Okay, you're not gonna need much more. So I just already did the cilantro and I took it and I scraped off all the tops. But make sure you get back in here and do this. Get the tops off like that, off of your stems, so you don't have a bunch of stems inside your salsa, okay? All right, and then I'm gonna just take this, and guess what? I'm just gonna scoop it up and drop it in, okay? All right, now, there's an ingredient over here. It's a white onion. Boom, you don't have to cut it up much because you got a nice blender, okay? So, take about 3 of the pieces, drop them in, okay? Now the special ingredient I want you to know about is this. It's a serrano pepper, serrano. It's about 35 times hotter than a jalapeno. Just walk it over to your oven, turn on your flame, and this is how you cook it. And blacken it good, okay? Just get it really black. This one's already done, okay? Now there's a trick to this. You don't want to put too much in at once. So if you got a pepper like that size, maybe half, okay? That's all you're gonna need, right about there. Drop it in, okay? Now, put your lid on. Well, we're not sure what. This is brand new, I haven't done this yet, so pull.
Wait. Get a stick.
Okay, gotta get a stick.
Get a stick.
Got a stick.
Gotta get down in there.
Okay, gotta get down in there. Oh, there we go. Finally. Okay, look at it go. Look at it go. There it goes. Stop. Okay, now take a look at it. Dip your finger in. Oh, yeah. Okay. Not real hot, so a little more onion. A little more serrano pepper. Boom. Okay. Now you know what we're going to need? Some salt. So, I don't know where I'm going to find it, except for right here. Boom. Here's your salt. It's not ever been opened before, I don't think. Okay. How about this? How about if I grab another salt? Okay. And then we go like this. About like that. Remember, the tomatoes didn't have any salt to start with because we were trying to save you from a heart attack. But keep that green. Okay. Lift it up. Oh my. So the same salsa you get at Randy's, or that you used to get.
A little more salt.
Maybe a little more salt, Jane says.
Okay, good.
Boop. Okay. Drop it on. Do the pulse. Okay. Look, we got a little spout thing here if we want to pour it. But let's taste it. I actually think
Oh, yeah.
use a little more pepper. I think we got it. Now,
Sure, that's
let's do this.
Make sure that's all.
Okay. There we go. Let's get a good chip. Here you go. Ah. I think we got it. That easy and that fast.
Won't stand in front of the camera.
So, there it is. This is what you do. You go and you get one of these little containers at the dollar store, the Ziplocs. Okay? That fits right in there. You can have salsa every day for the next bunch of days. Put it on your eggs. Put it on your pancakes. Just dip, okay? Love you guys. See you later. Bye.